Hey, it's Sergeant Locksmith here. Hey, we're going to change the battery on your 4-button Fobic remote. This task here, you will need a CR2032 battery, and you'll need a flat tip screwdriver, a smaller one. So, with that being said, if your Fobic has this opening where it's recessed right in here, that works even better. You will not have to remove your key ring. Go ahead and leave your key ring on. I like to turn around and use my finger. There's a little indentation. If your key ring's on, you can put your finger in there. I'm using a flat tip for the demonstration. This is spring loaded, so when you push it over, put pressure on your emergency key and push out. Emergency key pops out. Go ahead and set that to the side. You're not going to need it. Now when you look into your remote, you'll notice you do have, that's where the emergency key goes. You have an indentation here. Go ahead and put your flat tip in here, and you're just going to get the corner of it in there and gently pry the two halves open. And you notice the first time didn't work. Don't worry. We do have that side open. If you want to come over to this side and put it in and rotate, you can. You just want to be careful because your emergency key blank holder, we do got it cracked open. Let's go ahead and pull the two halves apart. This remote here, you notice the rubber did stay in, so we're good. Right here is your battery. You have your little metal tab here. Do not pry on this side. Go ahead and take your flat tip under the battery. Might want to put your finger on there because the spring likes to pop them out. It still did it. With that being said, you notice how that retracted in. That's what holds your battery in. We are using new remotes on this, so we're going to actually put these batteries in since they are new batteries. So you will put your CR22 battery in, and when you do, you're going to push against those and then push down. The battery will drop in, lock into the little tabs. So you're good there. When you flip your remote back half over, it shouldn't fall apart. Go ahead and put the two together and line up the rubber. Make sure it goes in nice and smooth. If you feel any pressure, then you got issues. Go ahead and gently squeeze, working around the remote. I like to work from the tip back. And this one here, you notice it gave a little resistance, but no biggie. Go ahead and put your blade back in. And there you go, you've just changed the battery on it. Thanks for watching Sergeant Locksmith, and let's be safe out there.